What's up guys, for today's videos, ito yung perfect floor natin guys. Yeah. Pag-aapaw ang tubig guys, papasok siya sa power line guys. Yan, power line ng tubo niya guys. Na-deteriorate yung linyada guys, sa acid yung wire na yan guys. Nag-grounded at nangaputol. Binubuksan namin lahat yan, from perfect to after peak. Pinagkakatig ni si Manoy guys. Mamaya i-welding natin yun guys. The most effective wrap, the power line guys, hindi yung masking tape at saka yung rub neck at saka yung seal mounted spoke guys. Tapusin mo lang videos guys, ipakita ko sa inyo guys ang most effective wrap o power line guys. Ito guys, yan, pinuturahan na ng kulay ni guys. Food packaging tape from Gali guys. Yan. Kung natutunan kayo sa videos ko guys, please follow at subscribe.